just take, that trivial example in some sense of just being in New York, you can pop your token into the subway style, walk through, get on the subway and go out and you can see signs in Yiddish. You can go to a place where it's in the subway station, it's in the shop window, it's people speaking it. Sort of the, even though, it's in an environment which I would not choose to live, but the fact is, people have kept the lights on, kept it going, whereas you couldn't really find that in London or Manchester, which would be sort of your nearest equivalents in the UK. It's just a much more assimilated population. I mean, even if you're Orthodox, it's so much more assimilated there than you can find over here. I mean, you really do have a sort of shtetl. Really is a sort of shtetl life actually in New York in the boroughs.